Hi everyone! Welcome back to our channel. So for today's video, I'm going to share with you the step-by-step process on how to submit an open work permit application online. Sa mga bago po sa channel na to, meron po kaming video regarding the requirements na prepare namin for this application, and we have one video also on how to create your account online. So, I will just put the link below so para ma-check nyo po kung ano yung mga na-prepare naming documents, ano yung first process for this application. So, let's start. So first step is we need to sign in to our GC Key account. So after signing in, we need to start our application. We need to click apply to come to Canada. Since we don't have a personal reference code, so we go down, then we click visitor visa, study and or work permit. Find out if you're eligible to apply. So first question, what would you like to do in Canada? So for me, it's work. How long are you planning to stay in Canada? So temporarily, more than 6 months. Select the code that matches the one on your passport. Philippines, PHL. What is your current country or territory of residence? Since nasa Singapore kami that time, or OFW kami sa Singapore, so I click or I key in Singapore. Next, do you have a family member who is a Canadian citizen or permanent resident? No. So, what is your date of birth? Click next. So, are you a lawful permanent resident of the US? So, no. Next. I have a job offer, so no. Next. Do you plan to work in one of the following categories based sa list? So, my answer is no. You be coming to Canada under an active public policy? So my answer is no. Are you a spouse, common law partner, or dependent child of a person who has or is applying for? So since approved na yung pass ni Elle, so and meron siyang study permit, so my answer is yes. Have you recently graduated from a participating Canadian post-secondary institution? My answer is no. Then click next. So what is your marital status? Common law. What is your province of destination? Will be British Columbia. So I click British Columbia. Then click next. Here's the result. So based on the information you provided, the result below indicates whether you may be eligible to come to Canada. So open work permit, since I'm outside Canada, so I am eligible to come to Canada to work with an open work permit. So what type of work permit do you want to apply for? So my answer is a work permit for a spouse, common law partner, or child of a skilled worker or international student. Next. Are you accompanying a family member that has status in Canada or has recently been approved to come to Canada? My answer is yes. Been arrested for being charged with? Next. No. Then click next. Have you had a medical exam performed by an IRCC authorized panel physician? My answer here is yes. Do you want to submit an application for a family member? No, because I'm submitting alone. So are you giving someone access to your application? So my answer is no. The past 10 years, have you given your fingerprints and photo for an application to come to Canada? There are fees associated with this application. Will you be paying your fees or are you fee exempt? Yes, I will be paying my fees. So next, Are you able to make a digital copy of your documents with a scanner? Yes. Click next. So, will you be paying your application fees online? So, yes. Next. Can review your answers. So, kung meron kayong changes, you can amend. And then, if wala naman, if correct lahat, so you can click continue. So, submitting your application. Step 1, use your account. We log into our account. Step 2, save your application. Step 3, upload your documents. And then, step 4, yun na yung pay your fees. So, we click continue. And there you go. We need to upload all the documents. So, for application forms, we have application for work permit made outside of Canada. You need to download this application for work permit made outside of Canada. Then, you need to fill up all the details. Para makompleto, you need to upload the file. So next, supporting documents, family information form. So you need to fill up the form. Then your passport, digital photo, yun na yung proof of a front medical exam. So sabi ko nga, nag-medical ako before ko sinubmit yung documents ko. So ni-require nila yung aking medical exam. So for proof of relationship, statutory declaration of common law union na pinanotarize namin. For optional documents, we have the Schedule 1 application for a temporary resident. So, for the client information, kung ano man yung mga documents na hindi kasama sa na-upload dito sa supporting documents, kinumpile ko yon in one PDF file and then nilagay ko sa client information. After nun, ito na yung total fees na babayaran. Upload mo na lahat ng files, kakaroon yan ng next button here. So, you just click next. And then, ipaprompt ka niya dun sa payment section. Then, you do the payment using your credit card or your Visa debit card. And then, after nun, once na-go through na yung payment, makikita mo na dun sa page yung application mo, yung current status ng application